Come test drive the 2016 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.